Namaste. In the last two episodes, we were discussing how to multiply 4 digits with another 4 digits. It's a very important topic, you might have known by this time, and we have seen two methods of calculating. That is, the first method is
method number 1, 2006 into 5004. Give a slash 6 into 4 equal to 24. Write it as 024. 4 into 2 equal to 8. 5 into 6 equal to 30. 30 plus 8 equal to 38. Write it as 038. And 5 into 2 equal to 10. Write it as 10.
4 into 6, 24, 0 to 4, because we have to take 3 digits. 4 into 2, 8, and 5 into 6, 30. 30 plus 8, 38. You have to write it as 038, and finally 5 to 10. This is the one method. And the second method which you have seen is
method number 2, 3998 into 4997.
if you give slash, you cannot solve, because you cannot multiply 998 into 997. If it is 3008 and 4007, happily you can do. But here if you give slash, you definitely you cannot multiply 998 into 997. So, we have to convert it into speed mathematical way, like this.
3998 written as 4000 minus 2. 4997 written as 5000 minus 3.
3998 is 4000 minus 2, and 4997 is 5000 minus 3.
Give a slash.
Because this 990 has become minus 2, this 997 has become minus 3. Now, minus 3 into minus 2 plus 6.
Write it as 006. 4 into minus 3 equal to minus 12. 5 into minus 2 equal to minus 10.
Minus 3 into 4 minus 12.
Minus 12 minus 10 equal to minus 22. Minus 22 equal to minus 1000 plus 978 written as 978. Minus 1 outside.
3 digits happily. So, you write 3 digits. Here 1 digit you added 2 zeros. So, and only this minus 1 will be outside. Let there be any number of zeros, we do not consider. Only this minus 1 will be outside. And final step,
4 into 5 equal to 20. 20 minus 1, 19. Write it as 19.
I am repeating this because so that you will enjoy. This is the first method where simply you can give slash and do, and this is the second method where you can convert into speed mathematical way basis, and you can do like this. Okay? Now, we will go for the third method. I told you there are 4 methods. Now, already I have explained you to, this is the
method number 3, 4996 into 2006.
Here 4996 is a bigger number.
4996, write it as 5000 minus 4. 2006, write it as 2006.
Am I clear? And do not touch this 2006, you write it as it is, because if you convert 2006, it will become 3000 minus 994, that is another headache. So, this is the advantage of speed maths. In general maths, if you have a change in the numerator, automatically you have to change it in the denominator, compound or dividend, something like that will be there. Here, wherever it is necessary, you convert. So, 4996 is a bigger number. So, you convert it as 5000 minus 4, and 2006 is a smaller number. Do not touch it. You write it as it is.
Give a slash.
Give slash after 3 digits, because 4 and 6 you can multiply. But the thing is, plus 6 into minus 4, that is
minus 24.
Plus 6 and minus 4, 006.
006 into minus 004 equal to minus 24.
Minus 004. 006 into minus 004, that is minus 24. Minus 24 I have already explained you. You have to go for 1000 bases, because minus 24 you cannot write in the answer. So, you must go for 1000 basis here because we are operating 4 digits. So,
minus 24 equal to minus 1000 plus 976. Write it as 976. Minus 1 is outside.
zeros we do not consider. Next, automatically you go for cross multiplication.
006 into 5 equal to 30. 2 into minus 004 equal to minus 8. 30 minus 8 equal to 22.
See, while I am explaining, it appears to be something bigger or something like that, but simply to make you know I am giving these details, simply you can do even without converting like this. It is 4, it is 6, it is 24, like that you can do. For that you ought to do some practice, only 15-20 minutes every day. So, this is very simple. 6 minus 4 24, that I told you, it is 976. Cross multiplication 6 into 5 30, 2 into minus 4 minus 8, 30 minus 8 plus 22, and this minus 1 is outside. Okay, you subtract minus 1.
22 minus 1. Write it as 021.
Always 3 digits, mind it. So, this is 21 is 0, and finally nothing is outside.
5 into 2 equal to 10. Write it as 010. Left side 0, no value.
So, 1 digit or 2 digit we write as it is. Now, the answer is 1002197. I will explain you again. Kindly see, very easy, very useful, and competitive, for competitive examinations, almost as I used to say, it is a boon, all these problems. Simply 4996 can be converted as 5000 minus 4. Okay, and 2006 do not touch because it is a small number, 6 is there, and give slash 6 into minus 4 minus 24. Minus 24 is minus 1000 plus 976. 24 976 1000, that without writing you have to practice. So, minus 24 is 976, and minus 1 will be outside. Okay. Now, cross multiply, all these things are not necessary. 6 into 5 30, 2 into minus 4 minus 8, simply minus 22, 30 minus 8 22, 22, and this minus 1 is outside, 21. Write 0 to 1 because always you have to take 3 digits, and finally 5 to 10, that is the answer. I hope it is quite clear to you, and let us do one more problem.
3007 into 5998. 3007, write it as 3007. 5998, write it as 6000 minus 2. Give a slash.
Okay, this is a bigger number, you convert. Top number is bigger number, you have converted. Here bottom number is bigger number. So, you convert wherever the number is big, and small number do not touch. So, 3007 is 3007, and 5998 can be converted as 6000 minus 2. As usual, give a slash. Damn easy. This is, I am not putting all these zeros.
7 into minus 2 equal to minus 14. Minus 14 equal to minus 1000 plus 986. Write it as 986. Minus 1 is outside. Minus 6 plus 42 equal to 36. 36 minus 1 equal to 35. Write it as 035. 3 into 6 equal to 18. Write it as 18. The final answer is 180-35986.
I hope it is quite clear. I am repeating, kindly try to understand. 3007 into 5998. 3007 is a smaller number, don't convert. 5998 is a bigger number, you convert into speed mathematical way, base form. That is 5998 is 6000 minus 2. We will write like this. This I have already explained you. And yeah, simply give slash after 3 digits. You have to do it in 3-4 seconds, maximum 5-10 seconds. See, 7 into minus 2 is minus 14. When there is minus 14, immediately you have to say 986. 1000 minus 14, how much? 986. So, that is 986. Okay? 3 digits we require, write 3 digits. Now, cross multiplication. What is this? See, this is second class, third class problem. Cross multiply 3 into minus 2, minus 6. 7 into 6, 42. You want 7th table and 3rd table, that is all. 7 into 6 plus 42. 3 into minus 2, minus 6. 42 minus 6 is 36. Okay? Write 36. 36 and this one you do not forget. Already 1 is outside. 36 minus 1, 35. So, you write it as 035 because always you have to take 3 digits. And finally, 6 into 3, 18. You may ask, as I have to, sir, we have to write 3 digits. We have to write really 3 digits. This is also 018. But what is the use of 0 in the left side? So, you need not put 0. So, 3007 into 5998, 180,35986. I am asking you, if this is given in the exam, competitive exam, definitely they will give. And if you want to solve this, there is no other way in traditional maths. You have to multiply with 8 and 9 and 9 and 5 and finally you have to add and you have to check once or twice. Definitely they will give, do not forget, only 13 to 15 seconds time for each bit, 13-15 seconds. Okay. Now, if you attempt this, these secrets I will be telling now and then. Some questions they will give you to test your IQ. Your intelligence will be tested in all the questions, but your IQ will be tested in some questions. They give questions like this. Here also they will give 3997 and 598, and happily everybody attempts this problem because everybody knows 5th table up to 9th table, everybody knows. So, with joy, happily 8 7 56, 8 0 5, happily you can do. Everybody attempts, and whoever attempts will lose the exam. Not the problem. He will definitely lose the exam because they will give only 10 to 15 seconds, but if you touch it, it will take more than 100 seconds. What does it mean? You lost 5 to 6 questions. If you lose 6 questions, there is no need to write the exam. You can give the paper happily and go to a movie. In the competition world, half mark will change your fate. So, some questions, be careful, they will give you to test your IQ. If you do not know speed maths, I am telling to all, you leave that question. If you attempt, because everybody attempts, because they know 8th table, 9th table, that is those are the tables we do know. So, you leave this. Not only this, any question if it takes more than 30-40 seconds, leave this. You finish the paper. In the end, if you do have time, now attempt. But that fellow gives to cheat the students such type of questions. They will attempt and they will fail. I know, I worked in many institutions, these coaching centers. I know, I do have total knowledge about this. They give it, but we will cheat that fellow. He gives 15 seconds and we do it in 10 seconds accurately, and still we can save some 4-5 seconds. Immediately see 3007, right. Even you need not write all these things. Here simply this 6 and 2 you remember in the brain. Immediately is minus 14, without converting you will write. 6000 minus 2, you just think in the 14, minus 14 is 986. Anybody can say, cross multiply 42 minus 6 is 36 and this minus 1 is outside, 35, practice, and 6 3 is 18, like that. Very important questions. I told you clearly how to multiply 3 digits into 3 digits, and now I have shown you how to multiply 3 methods. Another method is there, final method is there. 3 methods of how to multiply 4 digits into 4 digits. These systems can be applied even for 5 digits, 6 digits or 7 digits. And one more thing, here I will give a formula. This formula how to multiply, they will give dots. Some people will put dots and they do not like that. I will clearly give you a formula, you just observe it and you practice it, and definitely you will be thorough with this and it fetches you a lot.